Introducing the Redmi 14C 5G, a smartphone built for the future. Launching January 6, 2025, this powerhouse is here to redefine what you expect from a mid-range device. Let's dive into its features. First, the performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, the Redmi 14C 5G ensures a seamless experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. With support for dual 5G SIMs, you get lightning-fast download speeds up to 2.5 gigabits per second. Next, the display. The 6.88-inch HD screen delivers stunning clarity and vivid colors with 1640 by 720 resolution and 600 nits brightness. It's designed for long hours of use, featuring DC dimming and eye protection modes. Plus, it's functional even in wet conditions. And now, the design. Available in white, blue, and black, the Redmi 14C 5G boasts a sleek, premium Starlight design that feels as good as it looks. The battery is another standout feature. With a 5,160 mAh capacity, it lasts through the day and powers up quickly with 18-watt fast charging. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. For photography enthusiasts, the 13-megapixel rear camera and 5-megapixel front camera ensure you capture your best moments in detail. Whether it's selfies, videos, or quick snapshots, the Redmi 14C 5G has you covered. All of this is packed into a slim and lightweight frame, measuring just 8.22 millimeters thick. And here's the best part, it's priced to lead its segment, making advanced technology accessible for everyone. Mark your calendars, January 6, 2025. Available exclusively on Flipkart, the Redmi 14C 5G, your gateway to the 2025G era.